Okay, good morning. Grade 8. So, wala ko ngayon. So, you will be watching this video about a new topic. So, hindi ko na diniscuss yung last part of the special products kasi baka maubusan tayo ng oras. So, proceed na tayo ngayon sa factoring. So, this is another topic after, 'di ba, addition, subtraction, and then multiplication tayo ng polynomials, and then special products, and then ngayon naman is factoring. So, umpisahan natin yung topic natin with factoring by GCF. Okay. So, ang ibig sabihin ng GCF is greatest common factor. So, pag sinabi natin greatest, yung pinakamalaki or pinakamataas na common factor na mayroon sa variables or numerals. So, let us look at the following examples. So, first natin is 8 and 12. So, paano natin makukuha yung greatest common factors ng dalawang number? Greatest common factor ng dalawang number na to. So, we both know that 8 and 12 are both divisible by 4. Where 8 is 4 times 2 and 12 is 4 times 3. So, how can you check kung alin dito ang greatest common factor? Hanapin nyo kung alin yung parehong meron sila. So, pareho silang mayroong 4. And then, para ma-check kung siya na talaga yung pinakamataas, tingnan nyo yung natitirang numbers, yung 2 and 3. Can we still divide 3 by 2? So, hindi na. So, ibig sabihin, kapag wala na tayong ibang pwedeng i-divide na number or factor nilang dalawa, wala na tayong makitang ibang common, ang ating greatest common factor na ay 4. So, the GCF is 4. Next, 25 and 10. So, yung 25 and 10, we have 25, siya ay 5 times 5. And then, ang 10, that is 5 times 2. So, ang common factor natin is 5. And, like I said, titingnan natin yung mga katabi niya kung pwede pa bang i-divide. Yung 5 ba, kaya pang i-divide ng 2? So, hindi na. So, ibig sabihin, ang GCF na natin is 5. Next, 6 and 12. So, dito, nakikita natin yung 12, kaya natin siyang i-divide by 6. So, ito ay 6 times 1, and then yung 12, 6 times 2. So, ang common factor natin dito ay 6. Kapag yung smaller number, di ba mas maliit yung 6 kaysa kay 12. Kapag yung bigger number kayang i-divide nung smaller number, so yung 12, kaya ba siyang i-divide ng 6? Kung ang sagot ay yes, ibig sabihin ito na ang ating GCF. Okay? So, ang GCF natin is 6. Next, we have 16 and 32. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina, kaya bang i-divide ng 32 ang 16? Yes, kasi 32 divided by 16 is equal to 2. So, this is 16 times 1, and this is 16 times 2. So, our common factor is 16. So, ito ang ating GCF. GCF is equal to 16. Okay. So, kapag medyo malabo pa itong GCF sa inyo, madaming video sa YouTube kung paano makakuha ng GCF. You may watch other videos aside from this. Now, tingnan naman natin yung GCF by variable. So, tingnan natin ito. We have x squared and x. Laging tatandaan kapag variables. So, for variables, the greatest are the smallest variable. Wait lang, sorry. Ulitin natin. So, the variable with the smallest or least exponent is the GCF. Tandaan na. So, kung alin yung variable na may mas konting exponent, siya ang GCF. So, in this case, sa x squared and x, ang mas mababang exponent is yung x. So, therefore, siya ang ating GCF. As simple as that. Dito naman, y to the fourth and y cubed, mas mababa ang y cubed, kaya siya ang ating GCF. Wala na tayong kinocompute ha. Dito naman, z to the 7 and z squared, mas mababa ang z squared, so siya ang ating GCF. Okay? So, sobrang dali lang nun. Laging tandaan, the variable with the smallest or least exponent is the GCF. Next, we have some examples. So, dito gagamitin na natin yung factoring. Factoring by GCF. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayong mga binomials. Pero pwede siyang maging trinomials or more than 3. So, mga other number terms of polynomials. So, let's look at number 1. So, number 1, we have x squared, y to the 5th plus xy. So, mangyayari dito, kailangan i-check nyo pareho ito. So, kung ano lang yung common, halimbawa, sa x squared at saka x, sila lang ang i-compare mo. Okay? So, yung x squared at saka x, mas mababa ang exponent ng x, diba? So, isusulat natin siya dito. X. And then, okay na tayo sa x. Sunod naman ay y. So, anong mas mababang exponent sa kanila? So, meron tayong y fifth and meron tayong y. So, of course, mas mababa yung y. So, isusulat natin siya dito. And then, gagawa ka ng open and close parentheses. Para madali, copy nyo na agad yung sign. So, meron tayong sign dito, plus. Tapos, ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin per variable dun sa ating nakuhang factors or GCF. So, unahin natin dito. Unahin natin tong first term. So, x squared divided by x, that is x. Kasi, diba, pag nagdi-divide tayo ng polynomials, minaminus lang natin yung exponent, yung degree ng exponent ng unang variable dun sa exponent ng isa. Since meron dito dapat na invisible 1, diba? So, x, copy the variable x, and then subtract the exponent. 2 minus 1, we get 1. Pwede naman natin hindi na isulat yun. So, tanggalin ko na. Next, we have y to the 5th power divided by y. So, y to the 5th power divided by y. So, that is, copy lang natin yung variable na y, and then ima-minus natin yung exponent na 5 sa exponent nito na 1. So, 5 minus 1, that is 4. Okay, so tapos na tayo dito. Next naman is dito sa after ng plus sign, we have x and y. So, x divided by x, that's 1. And y divided by y is 1. So, technically, xy divided by xy is 1. So, ganun lang kadali yung factoring. Next, yung number 2, tingnan ulit natin. So, titingnan muna natin kung ano yung variables natin. Meron tayong y, meron tayong z. So, y at saka z. So, sa yz, tingnan natin yung exponent. Paghiwalayin ko nga lang ito ng konti. So, y, z. So, yung y natin, compare natin yung y to the 14 at saka y to the 12. So, mas mababa yung y to the 12. So, yun ang ilalagay natin dito. And then, z to the 5th, tapos z to the 5th. Same sila. So, therefore, z to the 5th din ang ilalagay natin dito. And then, open and close parentheses. So, next step, ikakopy na natin yung sign. So, minus. And then, i-divide natin per term. So, unahin muna natin ito. So, y to the 14 divided by y to the 12. So, copy natin yung variable na y. And then, pagka-copy natin yung variable na y, tingnan natin yung exponent. So, we have 14 at saka 12. So, 14 minus 12, we get 2. Diba? And then, next, we have z. Pero tingnan muna natin, ito pang z to the 5th power divided by z to the 5th power. Diba? Same na same sila. So, automatic siya ay makakancel. Nagiging 1. So, pwedeng hindi na natin lagyan ng 1 dito kasi siya ay identity property of multiplication or division. So, y squared na lang yung natitira. Again, wala na tayong isusulat na z kasi same lang yung exponent nito at saka yung pagdi-divide natin. Okay? Next, proceed na tayo sa right side ng subtraction. Meron tayong y to the 12 divided by y to the 12. Same na same sila. So, 1 din yon. And then, look at z to the 5th divided by z to the 5th. That is same din. So, therefore, parang nakakancel lang to. Diba? So, nagiging answer dito, y squared minus 1. Okay? So, yan na yung ating factored form. Okay? Next, meron tayong number 3. 24a squared b c cubed plus 8ab squared c squared. So, meron ng kasamang number. Titingnan muna natin yung GCF ng 24 at saka 8. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko, isubukan muna natin i-divide yung 24 sa 8. Kung kaya bang i-divide ng 8 ang 24, so kaya naman siya kasi 8 times 3 is equal to 24. So, ang gagawin natin dito is 24 at saka 8. Ang ilalabas natin ay yung GCF niya. So, ang GCF kasi niya ay 8. So, sulat natin dito yung 8. So, meron na tayo nung number. Okay na tayo. Next is letter A. So, sa letter A, pareho naman siyang may A. So, kopyahin natin. And then, tingnan natin yung exponent. So, meron tayong 2 and meron tayong 1. So, 2 minus 1, that is 1. Diba? So, pwedeng hindi na natin isulat 8a na lang. And then, yung b naman, yung a pala, kaya a yung ating, what do you call this? GCF is because mas mababa yung exponent ng a dito. Okay? And then, b, mas mababa yung exponent ng b dito, which is 1. So, b na lang siya. And then, c, mas mababa yung exponent ng squared. Susundin natin to. C squared. Okay? And then, open and close parentheses. Gagayahin na natin yung sign, positive. And then, let us divide. So, 24 divided by 8, that is 3. And then, a squared divided by a, that is a, diba? Kasi 2 minus 1. And then, b divided by b, cancel. And then, c cubed divided by c squared, that's 3 minus 2, that's 1. So, kukopihin na lang natin ay c. Okay. Next, we have 8 divided by 8, that's 1. So, cancel lang. And a divided by a, cancel din. B squared divided by b. So, may matitira tayong hindi sila same. So, sulat natin yung b. And then, 2 minus 1, that's 1. So, hindi ko na kukopyahin. And then, ito, I have c squared divided by c squared. That is also cancel. So, ano na lang ang natira? 3ac plus b. So, ito yung final answer. Okay? So, yung mga final answers natin dito ay itong lahat. Kasama yung nasa labas ng parenthesis, ha. I'll give you one more example. Last example. Let's say I have negative 38 y squared z plus 14 y. And so negative 38y squared z plus 14y. So kung mapapansin ninyo, pareho silang may coefficient, pareho silang may y, pero hindi sila parehong may z. So paano kapag yung isa wala nung isa? Okay. So again, titingnan muna natin ang GCF part by part. Unahin natin ng numbers. So negative 38 at saka 14. Pwede ba nating i-divide ang negative 38 sa 14? Hindi, kasi walang multiple naman ang 14 na 38. So pwede natin gawin, that's 38 at saka 14. Bukan natin, divide natin both by 2. So 38 divided by 2, that is 19, diba? Times 2. And then 14 divided by 2, that is 7 times 2. And then tingnan natin, yung 19 ba at saka 7 ay pwede pang i-divide by each other. Yung 19 at 7 ba, meron pang factor. So wala na kasi pareho na silang prime numbers. Pag sinabi nating prime numbers, wala nang ibang pwedeng makadivide sa kanila kundi yung sarili nila. So we are just going to get 2 as the GCF. So yun ang ilalagay natin sa labas. 2. Okay. And then, paano po yung sign? Pwedeng yung sign ay maiwan. So 2 lang yung nasa labas. And then, tingnan natin yung y. So y squared divided by y. Mas mababa yung y na nasa right side. So siya ang ikakopy natin. Walang exponent. And then yung z, dahil walang z sa right side, hindi natin siya ikakopy. Kasi remember, we are looking for common factors. Since wala namang z sa kabila, sabihin hindi common factor yung z. And then, let's open and close parentheses. Let's copy the sign. And then, let's divide. So, negative 38 divided by 2 is negative 19. And then, y squared divided by y, that's y, kasi 2 minus 1. And then, z. Kokopy natin yung z kasi wala naman siya dito sa ating factors. Okay. Next, dito na tayo sa right. So, 14 divided by 2, that is 7. And then, y divided by y, that's cancel. So, therefore, our answer is 2y times quantity of negative 19yz plus 7. Okay. So, this is how you factor by GCF. This is still very simple. Mas madami pa tayong pagdadaanan na factoring. So, please make sure that you master this. If you're having a hard time, you can try reviewing division of polynomials as well as the quotient rule of exponents. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you.